Good morning. I hope you're healthy and safe. From my last video, I got few questions about the real estate terms and process. People ask me what's a ratified contract or what does under contract mean. I've noticed even people who bought few properties might not remember all the terms and process. I understand it might be a little bit confusing. So in this video, I will explain 6 steps of a typical real estate transaction. Stay tuned. So the first step is to put the property in the market, which we call it active, where everyone can see the property with photos and details all over the internet, apps and everywhere. Now everyone can schedule a tour with their agent, with the listing agent, or attend to the open house to look at the property. Then whoever likes the property and eligible to buying it, they can put an offer and start the negotiation. At this point, the listing agent said, we have an offer, but nothing is confirmed yet. Now, when the seller and buyer agree to all terms of the offer, they sign off of it. This is what we call it ratified contract, which means the property is not available or it's under contract or pending. You should know that everything in real estate is negotiable, and it might be different considering the different circumstances. However, there are some steps and process that the seller and buyer usually go through it. Saying all that, the second step is home inspection, which means the buyer hires a home inspector to take a look at all visible details of the property and make a list of the items that needs to be fixed. Then the agents need to have another small negotiation about the issues, and they usually agree to a list of the item that needs to be fixed or some credit to the buyer. The third step is appraisal, which means someone from the bank or lenders take a look at the general condition of the property, make some measurements, compare it to the recently sold property in the neighborhood, and send all this information to the bank or lender. Usually this is a good time for the seller to take care of the inspection items that agreed to be fixed. The fourth step is usually between a buyer and lender, which is mostly some paperwork to get the loan approved, which obviously is the most crucial steps. Just a quick point, if the buyer chooses to pay all in cash, usually there is no appraisal or loan approval. The step 5 is when almost everything is finished and there are few days remaining to the settlement. Buyer will do the walkthrough, which means entering to the property again and check out the condition of the property and make sure everything is in the right place, as well as check out the possible inspection items. Last and the best step is the settlement, or you might heard of it as the closing, which seller and buyer go to the settlement and sign off of the property. At this point, property is officially transferred to the buyer, or I have to say, new owner. And that's it. I hope this small video is useful for whoever wants to buy or sell a property or wants to have some general idea about the real estate transaction. Again, real estate is very negotiable. What I explained here is a common process in real estate transaction. You might be able to waive some of these steps, or you might have some extra process because of your loan or buying some additional item in the property. Hope you enjoy it and have a great week.